Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Myself Umuja, studying in grade 10th, standing for the position of Blue House captain, that is Christopher Columbus, and my symbol is sky. Sky indicates the desire to fly. It indicates the never-ending creativity and discipline. In my leadership, we will focus on creativity, hard work, and with hard work and focus, we will make the Blue House best team of our school. So vote for Sky. Vote for me. Thank you.
My details. Myself Raul Singhadia from class 11 science, nominated for Blue House captain, and my symbol is infinity. My symbol is infinity. My symbol resembles my dedication. Vote for me. I will be your voice. At this time, when we all are online, I will be with you, help you, and we will together put our effort for betterment of our house and for infinite success. Vote right and be bright.
Hello friends and my respected teachers. I am Ritika Srivastava studying in class 10th and I am nominated for contest of Blue House Girl Captain. My symbol is diamond. I have leadership qualities and I assure to fulfill all your responsibilities given to me with great sincerity. We all can take our school to a great high and could also bring a positive change. So I request you to cast your vote in my favor. Once again I repeat myself, my symbol is diamond. Please vote for me. Thank you.
Good morning, dear students and respected teachers. Myself, G. Arjani from class 11th Commerce. I am standing for Blue House Girl Captain. I will assure my best to have solutions for all your problems, and I assure that I will definitely participate in all our competitions. After becoming a girl captain, all your solutions will be clarified. Give me a chance. Vote for me. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Rudra Vagamsi. I am in Greenhouse, Standard 11 Science. I am standing for Greenhouse Prefect, Boys. Please vote for me.
My name is Nidhi Dubey from class 10th B and I would love to be your greenhouse captain for the academic year 2021 and 2022. Firstly, I would like to start by explaining what this position means to me. I think house captain is someone who is respectful and someone who can represent greenhouse and its core value with hospitality, compassion and determination in a positive manner. To me, this position is more than just a badge or a fancy title but a chance to make a positive influence over the students and over the teachers and make their time in MLZS worth it. I must say I'm not perfect, but I do believe that I'm perfect for this position. I will try to uphold and obey all the rules and become the role model that everyone can look up to. This is my election sign and that is a right take, and I know it is very common, but every right choice makes a difference. So I hope you will give me vote and I hope you will give me your support.
Good morning, respected teachers and my fellow friends. I am Riaba Wagela of class 10B, Greenhouse Mahatma Gandhi. I am standing for Greenhouse Captain Girl. My symbol is unity. I'll make it my number one responsibility to bring all of us together so that we can fly high as one and be a voice for a positive change. Please consider voting me. Thank you.
With an everlasting hope, I am Aryan Nayak from Mount Literacy School, assuming that you and your family are doing well and safe and sound. I am also praying that we all emerge out from the current pandemic situation. Now, as I am nominated for Red House Leonardo da Vinci Captain, I would love to distinguish what difference we can bring with a unique vision. So, first of all, I got elected. If I got elected, I will lead my house to the infinite heights of sky and will maintain my red house accordingly with the perfection in all the activities to be happen. I am urging your support. The best decision is in your hands. With a great hope for being a captain of Red House, here I end up my words being grateful to you all. Thank you.
Hello and a warm welcome to all my respected teacher and all my dear friends. Myself Kanishka Singhal and I am nominated for Red House Captain. I would be delighted if you choose me. Whenever you are feeling down, I shall cheer you up. You can talk me when there is something wrong or something that you feel is not right, and I will try and fix your problem. Even if we lose, I will still proud of you for trying your best. Hopefully you choose me as your house captain.
I, Devanshi Thakkar of Class 11 Science, nominating myself for post of Red House Girl Captain. After becoming the girl captain, I assure you that every student's issues will be listed and definitely I will circulate to our respected management of our school as a mediator between the students and our team. I assure that I will give my best functioning of our team and maintain the dignity as well as our respect for our Red House. As in captain, I will assure that the best position of our house, even equal opportunities will be given to all the students. And I am so excited for this election. So please go and vote me. Thank you.
My dear friends and respected teachers, myself Kushal Kotari from grade 10th B, Yellow House Albert Einstein. I am standing for the post of Yellow House Captain Boy. Please vote for me. My symbol is sun. When all the yellow rays in the sky come together to achieve their target, they form sun and enlighten the world. Similarly, with your support and under the guidance of the teachers, we all will work like a team to achieve our target and lead Yellow House to the top. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Bhumi Himani from class 10th A and I am a candidate for captain of Albert Einstein House. I am fairly new to MLZS Gandhidham. I have only known some of you for a couple of weeks. At first glance, this may seem like a disadvantage, but when you think about it, there is actually a benefit in choosing someone who is coming into school from somewhere else. I have new ideas that I can bring in from the school I was at before, and every single one of you can come to me with your ideas, and I promise to listen and speak for you. I may not be the most well known person running for house captain, but I promise to listen to each and every one of you. You matter, and so do your opinions matter. Choose someone who truly wants to be a representative. And a big thanks to all my teachers for giving me this opportunity. Thank you and have a nice day.